Hey, don't change that dial. Watch along with me, okay? Let's learn together. Good day, viewers. We are asked to find the area of this shape, okay? So, how do we solve it? It's not a rectangle and it's not a triangle. Is it a square? Oh no. Oh, let's apply the formula for trapezium. Oh no, this side is not parallel to this and this side is not parallel to this. Remember, for trapezium, we must have a pair of opposite and parallel sides. Okay? So, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? How do we solve this problem? Watch. We replicate this shape here and label the edges as A, B, C, D. Okay? So what do we do? Watch. If we should extend this part and then extend this part so that they meet, okay? You agree with me? If we label this point, this meeting point, point E, okay? If we label this meeting point E, observe that the angle here is 45 degrees because here is 90. So this place must be 90 minus this, 90 minus 45, which gives us this 45, okay? So now observe that triangle BCE is an isosceles triangle. BCE is an isosceles triangle because it has two angles equal. Therefore, it must have two sides equal. And what are the sides? The sides facing opposite the angle. Okay? So, 45, 10 cm is facing this one opposite. Then also, that means that the side facing angle C, that's 45. The side opposite angle 45 is what? Side BE. Therefore, BE is again equal to BC because that isosceles triangle, which is 10 cm. Okay? Now, notice something. Notice something. Because here is a straight line and here is 90. So this part is supplementary. So it is 180 minus 90. Therefore, this side is also 90. So triangle ADE is also a right angle triangle. Okay? And since here is 45, this, and since a right angle triangle, here must be complementary to this. That's the angle here is 90 minus this 45. Therefore, this angle is also 45 degrees. What does it tell us? It tells us that triangle ADE is also isosceles. There are two angles equal, therefore two sides must also be equal. Okay? Now, what are they? Because two angles are equal, the two sides facing opposite the angles must also be equal. 6 cm, this side AD is facing opposite the angle E, 45 degrees, and DE is also facing opposite angle A, which is 45 degrees. Therefore, DE equal to AD, because they are isosceles, equal to what? 6 cm. Okay? Now, how will this help us achieve our goal of finding this area? What we have to do, the area of this quadrilateral is equal to what? The area of this triangle minus the area of this triangle. So if we cut away this triangle from the bigger triangle, we'll get this quadrilateral. Okay? So how do we now find these areas? Okay? Area of triangle ABE, since it's a rectangle triangle, the area is equal to what? Half base times height. You can choose AD as your base, then DE is your height. Okay? So it is equal to half base times height, which is equal to half AB times DE, which is equal to half times AB is what? 6 cm. DE is also what? 6 cm. Okay? Now, we'll multiply. This is half into 6 cm times 6 cm is what? 36 cm squared. And half of 36 cm squared is what? 18 cm squared. Because if 2 divides 36, we'll get 18. Okay. Now, let's get the area of triangle BCE. Area of triangle BCE, we follow the same method as in this one. The area of triangle BCE is half base times height, which is what? Okay, we write half base times height, which is what? Half, what is our base? BC times height. And what is our height? BE. So this is what? Half BC, which is 10 cm, times BE. What's our BE? Also 10 cm. Okay, let's continue. Let's wipe this place off and continue the solution here. Okay? Now, if we multiply this, what do we have? We have equal to half 10 cm times 10 cm will give us what? 100 cm squared. And what is half of 100 cm squared? If 2 divides 100, you get 50. So this is what? 50 cm squared. Therefore, area of ABCD is equal to area of BCE minus area of ADE, triangle ADE. This is what? The area of BCE is 50 cm squared minus area of ADE is 18 cm squared. And what is 50 minus 18? 32. Therefore, 50 cm squared minus 18 cm squared is what? 32 cm squared. Thus, the area of the quadrilateral is 32 cm squared. I hope we learned a lot today. Thank you so much. See you next time.